So I understand it's a little bit chilly in here. And I don't mean like chili hot, I mean like chili cold. Yeah? So we'll see how we go. Wait. Okay. Okay, thanks. Now, understandably, you got cold. You're lying still for 45 minutes, you know. Yeah. But maybe after lunch, things will warm up a little bit. Oh, yeah, the temperature and your internal temperature a little bit. Okay. So, yeah. All right. So you did that scan earlier on, and I asked you to make a list of the kinds of things that you scanned for in each of the 4 positions. So now it's time to share those lists with your colleagues. So if you could get together in groups of 6, and what you'll be doing in this group of 6 is comparing notes on what you attended to when scanning, and then notice as you compare notes, are there any commonalities? Do you tend to scan for the same things as your colleagues? Or are there some significant differences, things that you scan for that no one else scanned for? So that you actually start to increase your repertoire of things that you could scan for. And then also notice whether there's some things that you scan for in some positions but not in others. So that's part A. Part B is the items that you gather together, you know, the whole conglomerate that you've got together. Could you start to categorize them into these 3 categories that I think you're all familiar with by now? You know, timing, orientation, and manipulation. And have really heated debates about what goes where. And then finally, when you've made your lists, notice if there's anything left over. So out of those lists that you've scanned for, are there any items left over? Items that timing, orientation, and manipulation didn't quite cover. In other words, discuss, do these 3 categories cover all the elements and aspects for which you scanned, or is something else needed? Yep. So is that process okay, clear? Yep. So we'll go with this until about 1:15, and then we'll break for lunch. Okay? So take your time, really have a good discussion, and please, if you need an arbiter, call us or one of us over. Here come to judge. Here come to judge. Okay? Off you go.